There's really three defenses to a case that we hear a lot. One is if the impact was small, the injury could never have been caused. We hear that. The next one is there's gaps in treatment by the client. They don't treat for a while. They say, could they have really been injured? But the one we almost always hear, right, is pre-existing injuries.
We always hear this one, and it's because medical science says, based on studies they've done, that everybody over the age of about 30, 35 does have some documented changes in their spines, particularly as a result of simply the aging process. And the insurance industry loves to say, well, if they have these changes and they're found on MRI, obviously they must have had pain. How could it be any different due to this auto crash?
Yeah, and that's a point that's made. I tell my clients, whether you're 20 or 80, the insurance company says it's all pre-existing. Nothing's related to what we did to you. It's all pre-existing. There's a couple things I think that are always important about that. Is, have you ever had treatment for that alleged pre-existing injury that the insurance company's claiming? Because if you haven't, the best thing we can do is show all your primary care records for the last 15, 20 years. I remember throwing him up at trial one time and throwing his stack of 17 years of records and put him on the stand and say, please, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, go review all of his records. See if he ever complained about back pain. See if he ever complained about neck pain. That gives him the opportunity to say, you cannot believe what the insurance company says in this case because the records show nothing existed. And that's a very important point.